Hello guys, today I'm going to make a GAMPRO dual trumpet air horn unbox video and test the air horn. Okay, let's see what's in the box. There is a instruction, an air compressor, the air horn, a hose, some wires, a relay, and some nuts. Now I'm going to show you how to wire the relay and the air horn. About the relay, you just need to put the relay into the socket. You can connect the yellow wire to the positive pole of the air compressor here, and the white wire to the ground, the blue wire to your original horn wire, the red wire to the positive pole of your battery. About the air horn, you can connect the air compressor and the air horn with the hose. Okay, let's test how loud will it be. It's 131 decibels. Because of the measurement of range of the tester is 30 decibels to 130 decibels, so we can only test it to 131 decibels. But actually it's much louder than 130 decibels.